didn't the Charter protect our freedoms during COVID?
Two reasons come to mind immediately. One is that Canada has too few courts, too few judges, and so it always takes years for important issues to get a court ruling compared to the United States, where they seem to get court rulings on very significant lockdown measures, masks, quarantines, all kinds of issues, and they get their rulings in weeks or sometimes months. And in Canada, it's never in weeks or months. It always takes years. And that's a problem when you've got governments violating our rights and freedoms. We are into the 25th month, 26th month. The hardest part about the 2 weeks to flatten the curve has been the first 2 years. And we don't have too many court rulings yet. We have one in Manitoba, and the other ones are moving through at the pace of molasses in February. So that's one big problem. The second problem is that the Charter Section 1 gives governments the possibility of going to court and concocting justification for violating rights and freedoms. And if that aligns well with the judge, and if the judge is persuaded, then the judge will say, well, yes, okay, this law did violate religious freedom or freedom of association, freedom of peaceful assembly, or this law does violate your right to bodily autonomy to decide for yourself what gets injected into your body or not. But that's okay because the judge thinks that it's reasonable. And so we've got this Section 1 of the Charter that allows governments to violate our freedoms if they can persuade a judge. And then it's really the luck of the draw.